Hey guys, so this is the whole view of Ecuador. So this is basically my aunt's home territory with all the, I think, blue corns or the plants. It's really, really environmental because you can see all the plants all over here. And it's more like a farm actually, because you see here chickens, dogs taking care of the outside world. Literally over here, a lot of trees, leaves of course. So yeah, it's really, actually not bad because this is really nice. Esta es la vista de Ecuador, está maravilloso. Muchos gallos, patitos, perros. Oh, y caballos, horses, pigs, cochinitos. A ver, voy a llevar este video un poquito más cerca abajo. Mira la maravilla, casas ahí, si se ven montañas, eso es lo más maravilloso, eso es lo que no tienen en los Estados Unidos. Mira cómo anda subiendo arriba hasta la montaña del cielo. Houses being stacked up, but this is how it is. The hills are like houses, and you know, they create these certain mountains. You could just see the, reflect on how they look like on the inside. Cousin Michelle, she just woke up. It's still morning, so it's 11:55. Oh, never mind, it's not gonna be morning. Voy a grabar todo, es que espero que no caiga.
I don't like it.
No, these two do, and the black one, yeah. No le gusta huelerlo, no comerlo. Oh my god.
Mira cómo está bella hoy en gym.
Ay, no. That's okay. Yeah. Alright guys, we had a delicious meal. I'm gonna feed the bones to these dogs. Oh my god. Okay. Here, you better hold this. I'm gonna need 2 hands.
Just give them, they don't bite.
Okay, I know. Oh, that's special. It's Wednesday.
The black one is pregnant.
Oh, I know. Kaylee, I heard Kaylee say it. Kaylee knew it was me. Oh, you got mine.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, that one bites. Thank you, buddy.
So there's this poor dog. No, wait, llámala, she's scared. Okay, so there's this dog. She's pregnant. She's pregnant, I'm pretty sure. So we're just trying to feed her. Vente. So, you know, she's kind of scared, but we're gonna feed her. You know what, the best. Also, I got my braces today. And trying to feed her. Yeah.
Okay.
Good
Oh,
job.
yeah, we should go. Oh yeah. Let's play or something, so we'll put it back. Need to get my Fanta. We're going back home because dentist things, braces.
Salud.
Salud. Nos vamos a la casa. So, y es todo.